Hi guys! I have an interesting video for you today because it involves food as well as shopping. And at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal a guilt-free dessert so that all the keto dieters out there have a sustainable keto diet and a keto journey. And on top of that, I'm going to tell you 7 keto foods that you must have in order for you to stay in ketosis and achieve your weight loss goal much more easier. But before that, let me bring you to my grocery shopping. Let's go! Avocado will be your best friend. This is like really big ones and it's only 3 for $8.95. Lemon is also one of the fruit that is keto compliant and you can make this into isotonic water. So pork belly is roasted pork is actually keto compliant. So these are the things that I like to buy also. Pork belly, I like to braise pork belly. Cheese is also a staple for my keto diet. So there's a lot of different type of cheese. So I usually choose the Edam, hard cheese or sliced Gouda. So these are like only one pack like this is about less than $6. For my coffee, right, I like to use this kind of thickened cream or to put it in my coffee. So either this or whipping cream. If you are craving for ice cream, right, this is a very good brand. And this one is only 90 calories. They use sweetener. Caramel. The one that I like is a chocolate flavor lah, but they don't have stock. They always run out of stock. Oh, this is chocolate peanut butter. So this one is not that expensive lah. One tub I think is cheaper than Haagen-Dazs. It's $13.50 for one tub. So I think I shall try this sea salt caramel. So I like to buy the Greek style yogurt. So only this yogurt is no sugar added. Yeah, so it's for snacks. You should buy a lot of vegetables. So like this is only $3 for 3. It's really cheap. And I'm currently in cold storage. So nuts will also be your very good friend. Hi guys! So I'm back from my keto grocery shopping and I do this kind of shopping once a week. Ever since I started keto diet, my grocery shopping has changed. So the things that I buy are mostly high in fat and keto compliant. It is important for you to stock up on keto-friendly food at home so that you can cook your own food and reduce your processed food. Keto diet is all about eating non-processed food and eating whole food. So this is very important to do your grocery shopping every week. Plus, when you are hungry in between meals, it is good that if you have some snacks at home. So I try to have this food in my fridge all the time. So whenever I'm hungry, I will just take out half an avocado and just snack on the avocado. So here are all the food that I bought. And this amount can last me around 1 week. And now to the snack review time. So there are some times that if you have some sweet tooth during your keto diet, I suggest that you look for ice cream like this. So this is highly recommended and the brand is called Enlighten. And this is a US product. It only contains 80 calories per serving and one serving is half a cup. So half a cup is about 70 grams. I will eat like 3 teaspoons of this ice cream whenever I have the craving. Let me teach you how to count, okay? If you can see. So you can see that it is the total carbohydrates is 70 grams. 17 grams. You have your fiber, so how you count is you have to minus off the fiber, which is the 5 grams of fiber. So total of net carbs is actually 12 grams.
So 12 gram and half a cup contains 30 teaspoons of this. So in summary, 1 teaspoon of this ice cream is only 0.4 gram of net carbs. I have let my husband and my kids to try this, and they are not even aware that this is keto-friendly low sugar ice cream because it tastes just like ice cream. The secret is they use erythritol as their sweetener, and this sweetener doesn't spike our blood sugar. That is why it is keto friendly. I don't suggest you to binge on this, so bear in mind that 1 teaspoon is 0.4 gram of net carbs. They have different flavors. So for this sea salt caramel has a lower calories and lower in total carbs. So it looks exactly like ice cream. Sorry, this is not sponsored. It's just that I want to recommend this good product for keto dieters because this is a lifesaver for me. The moment I see this, I start to drool. This is very satisfying. So when there are times that I feel a bit stressed up and I want something to perk me up, then I just go to the freezer and I just eat 1 scoop. 1 scoop a day is sufficient to keep me sane and keep me going. So there you have it, my little hack on how you can stay in ketosis and stay on this keto diet as long as you want until you reach your weight loss goal. So that's all for today. I hope today's video is helpful to all the keto dieters. If you are new here and you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!